name is Farrah. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are Queen Bee, okay? She's cute. She got the crown, so you know she there or whatever. And then we got the honeycombs and stuff. This is really cute. My hair is everything. I think I might film a tutorial on my hair because she's cute and all that fun stuff. But all the details of this hair will be down below in the description box. But the main focus of this video is, again, Queen Bee, the makeup, all that fun stuff. I am feeling this base though. I'm so sad that I didn't include it in the filming process because it wasn't really main focus. But right now that I'm seeing myself, baby, I'm cute. Okay, so really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna go into my box of crayons palette by the crayon case, and I'm gonna go into the shade yellow right here, kablow, with my e.l.f. eye crease brush. I'm just gonna really pack it on my brush, and I'm gonna stamp that in my crease. Next, I'm gonna take my Watch Me blush palette, also by the crayon case, and I'm gonna go into the shade Cobbler right here with a fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set. I'm gonna use that to just diffuse the edges. Taking this angled fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back into the box of crayons palette and going into the shade Tan. And I'm gonna pop that in the crease. I'm gonna take this Morphe M321 brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Brown from the box of crayons palette. Just gonna pop that in the crease. Taking my Morphe M330 brush, not adding any product, I'm just gonna use that to whisk across my lid to make sure everything is blended out properly. Going into my Morphe 39A palette, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blending eye brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Deep Hue to deepen my crease just a tad bit more. Taking my Morphe M222 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Black from the box of crayons palette, lightly. And I'm just going to pop that in my outer corner, dragging it out just to deepen it a bit more. Now I'm going to cut my crease using my e.l.f. eyeliner brush and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C12. Taking this flat shader brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to go into the shade Gold from the box of crayons palette. And that's going to be the color on the outer part of the cut crease. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M124 brush, also spraying that with MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going to go into the shade Old Banana from the Watch Me blush palette. Alright, so this is how the eye looks up close. We're not done yet, but I will be finishing up the other eye, and then I think I'm going to skip over the base because it's not that important of a step in this whole process, and I'll jump back in when my base is complete, well, halfway complete, and then we'll finish up the rest of the eye. We're looking airbrushed or whatever. Okay, so for foundation, I use my Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Cocoa. And then for concealer, I used my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I set my face using my Laura Mercier concoction. Also contoured my face with the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. And then I buffed away all the excess powder with my lovely NYX No Filters finishing powder in the shade Cocoa. Right? Cool. Bet. So to line my eyes, I'm going to be taking my usual Maybelline Eyestudio gel eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black and applying it with my mini angled liner brush from Sephora. I want very, very sharp wing. So let's see. Liner's on, but I'm going to go into my highlight. And for my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to go into the shade I'm going to go into the shade Glad You Came and On the Loose, so which is this icy gold here and this true gold. I'm just going to mix two of them. And then pop that in my inner corner. And then for my all over face highlight, I'm going to go into my Issey by BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, going back into the Innudendo palette and only using the shade On the Loose, which is the true gold shade. Next, I'm going to go back into my Eyestudio Gel Eyeliner by Maybelline, and I am going to create a itty bitty crown right here. Okay. I'm going to take this angled liner brush. I'm going to go into my box of crayons palette. It's already damp because I just cleaned it. I'm going to go into the shade Gold. And I'm going to use that to fill in the crown. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques buffing brush, going into the box of crayons eyeshadow palette, into the shade Yellow. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to set my face. So to set my face, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I really did wonders with my base today. This might have to be my new foundation routine. Okay, so I'm going to take my buffing brush with the yellow from the box of crayons palette, and I am going to apply it on this area of my face. Going back into the On the Loose highlighter from the Innudendo palette from Colourpop, and I'm just going to just lightly blend that into the yellow. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Eyestudio gel eyeliner in Blackest Black again. And we are going to create hexagons, kind of like bee combs, honeycombs. Okay, so I brought y'all in a little bit closer. Now it's time to fill in the honey. I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Primer, apply it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go into taking my e.l.f. concealer brush. Just going to lightly take some on my brush and then apply it to the bases of the honeycombs. I'm going to take this loose glitter from Sephora. It's the gold one. It came in a holiday pack. I'm going to use that. Taking this brush from my Amazon brush set. It's just very skinny, so it'll allow me to have control of where I want things to go. Ooh, don't go in my eye, please. I'm going to take my glitter primer and just have it kind of pool at the bottom. Alright, so to line my lips, I am going to be taking my usual. What else is there for me? I just don't like any other liner. So I'm going to take my Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses, and I'm going to line my lips, not lightly. And then to fill in my lips, I'm going to be taking my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon. I'm going to lightly fill them in. Why is there so much on the damn doe foot? Jesus. Ugh. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my Morphe lip topper in the shade Alchemy. It's like a shimmery yellow gold. It's going to be my first time using these ever since I got them. I just bought them. I haven't used them, so I'm just using them today. I'm just going to put that in the center of my lips. I thought it was going to be yellow. I thought it was going to be more yellow. Alright, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
It's